WSH Fountain News update. Remember today, don't let you forget, 3 o'clock, maybe where I am, where I'm up, it could be here, it could be bringing a live video, right? Before I go, here, listen, look, there they're going there. Is that low? Oh, they're doing it, you see, we're trying to train them. Now, come on, now this is a self-feed. Look at that. Right, the idea is this, we've got this brick sitting there and the feed room there shows it goes in there. See, the idea is this, it goes like that. So what we've got to do, we've got to get it to start getting in there, right? And then we'll take that away eventually once they get in there. It's a kind of 2 and 3 core thing to learn them. The kind of feeds in there, we're not starving them. And if they get that right, which they're starting to coat onto it, I'm now getting them a green cabbage. A big green cabbage for them to tear into. But remember, there you go, they're very active. Remember, 3 o'clock today, live video, wherever it may be. So see you then, 3 o'clock.